Hi friends, I am Shri Priya. This is my YouTube channel Bharat Kathas exclusively launched for story lovers. And this story, Vikramaditya and Robbers Gang, is written by Swapnadat. Once upon a time, during the reign of Vikramaditya, there had been continuous robberies and it worried king very much. Everyone failed in their attempt to catch the thieves. At last Raja came up with an idea. He decided to join in thieves' gang. He prepared a chart of wealthiest people who are not yet robbed, and first person in that list was merchant Dhanapati. So he thought, I shall go to his house in the midnight. And according to the plan, Raja waited at the crossroads near the merchant's house. After some time, 4 men came from 4 directions and uttered some password. Suddenly one of them saw the king and asked him who he was and what was his profession. King said, I am Prajapal. And with a broad smile on his face, he said, my profession is same as yours. Oh really? Then tell us, where are we going? Asked the leader of the gang. Then Raja said, I think you are on your way to merchant's house. Then leader said, you are absolutely right and I need people like you to join my gang. Then Raja said, I have a small suggestion. What is it? Asked the thieves. Let us go to royal palace. It will have lot of wealth when compared to merchant. Then leader of the gang said, you are correct, but going to king's place would be very risky. Then king said, I can help you do the task without being caught and I am an expert in that. And Raja said, now tell me what each of you specialize in and how are you going to divide the booty. In 5 equal parts, said the leader. And then first one said, I can smell the air and identify what is inside a locked room. Second one said, I can open any lock no matter how hard it is. And the third one said, I never forget a voice. And the leader of the gang said, I can understand the language of animals and birds. They walked along and finally they reached the palace. And very soon they were at royal treasury. There was no guard at the room as he was cleverly sent on other tasks by the king. First person smelled the air and gave exact description of items present in the room. King got surprised with his description. Then king said, I think we shall better stick to these precious gems. It will be easy to divide. As they are in separate cassettes, said the first thief. Second thief touched the lock and opened it. They got in and each of them picked up a cassette. Just then a jackal howled outside. Leader of the gang cried, Jackal is saying, how dare you to steal when owner of the treasure is watching you. And he continued saying, I think we better leave the cassettes and go back. Then king said, you might have misunderstood the jackal, and all the 3 agreed with the king. When they are leaving the palace, the jackal howled once again, more louder this time. What are they saying? Asked the 3 thieves. The leader said, they are saying, how can the owner let you go with the theft? It's so funny. Then king said, don't worry about it, you must have misunderstood the jackals again. They left the palace and reached the road. Leader said, Prajapal, because of your help, we managed to do this job. Without you, this would be impossible. King smiled and said, it is efforts of all of us put together that we get the cassettes. Leader asked, what should we do tomorrow night? Then king said, let's all meet at crossroads at the midday and each of you should carry a big lemon. This is our password. And next morning, everyone came to know about the robbery. The guards pleaded the king, saying, we haven't been careless, but we don't understand how the robbery took place. Then king said, go to main crossroads at the midday and catch hold of 4 men who will be carrying a lemon each. The guards left for the city and arrested 4 men. In this meantime, royal treasurer went to went into treasury room and quietly removed another cassette. He thought it would also go into thief's account, and no one can prove that he had stolen the sixth cassette. And 4 men were caught and produced before the king. The king said, I know you are the 4 who stole the gems from the palace last night. Return them fast. We are innocent, sir, cried the three thieves. Could we speak to you alone for a moment, sir? Asked the third one. The king ordered for everyone to leave at once. Then the third one said, Sir, I never forget a voice. I know it was you who helped us in robbery in disguise of Prajapal. Now I understood why Jackal said all the strange things yesterday, cried the leader of the gang. Thieves thought for a while. As they are left with no option, they returned the cassettes they had stolen and asked the king to forgive them. King Vikramaditya said, I shall forgive you, provided all of you promise me never to steal again as long as you live. We promise we shall never do, said all the 4 together. King Vikramaditya presented them land, cattle, houses so that they could lead a decent life. The royal treasurer got the punishment he deserved, and thereafter there was no theft in Ujjaini anymore. Thank you.